Hi, I am T. Kavita, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Today, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, our topic is chi-square test, testing hypothesis for small sample test. The problem number 3 is an e-commerce company wants to test whether customer segment new versus returning is independent of preferred payment method, that is credit card, debit card, UPI, cash on delivery. A random sample of 400 recent transactions yielded the following contingency table. The values are given. Customer segment, credit card, debit card, UPI, cash on delivery. Four columns are given. The 3 rows are given. 2 rows are given. New customer and returning customer. New customer for credit card is 48 and debit card is 62 and UPI is 95. Cash on delivery is 45. Totally new customer total is 250. At the same returning customer values are given. And the column total, credit card total, debit card total, UPI, cash on delivery, row total, or the whole total, grand total is given here. The level of significance is also given, alpha is equal to 0.05. Perform a chi-square test of independence to determine whether customer segment and preferred payment method are independent. The critical value, chi-square value is given, that is 7.815. Now we find the goodness of fit. First we have to find the null hypothesis. Null hypothesis is customer segment and preferred payment method are independent. This is our hypothesis, null hypothesis. Then the alternative hypothesis H1 is customer segment and preferred payment method are not independent. This is our observed alternative hypothesis. Now we have to calculate the observed frequencies, that is customer segment, new customer, returning customer and column total. Credit card, the values are given. Expected frequency form, observed frequencies are given in the problem. We have to find the expected frequency. The expected row and columns are given. The expected frequency formula is row total into column total divided by grand total. Here the row total is 250, 150, this is row total. And column total for four columns 120, 100 and 120, 60 and the grand total is 400. Now we calculated this. New customer, new credit card and new customer credit card, new debit card, the whole values are given. This is our calculation, that is new credit observed frequency is 48, expected frequency is 75. Now observed frequency minus expected frequency values 48 minus 75, that is minus 27. Now observed frequency minus expected frequency, the whole square value is 27 square, that is 27 square is equal to 729. Observed frequency minus expected frequency whole square divided by E, that is 729 divided by 75, that is that value is 9.72. At the same, new customer for debit card is observed frequency is 62, therefore 62.5 O minus E is equal to minus 0.5, that is whole square value is 0.25 divided by E, that is 0.25 divided by 62.5 is 0.0004. This way we calculate all the UPI and new UPI and new COD and returning credit, returning debit and returning UPI and returning COD. All the values are here calculated: 9.72, 0.004, 5.33, 1.50, 16.20, 0.007, 8.89, 2.50. Okay, these are the values. Now we add all this value. We add all these value. Now the value is 44.15. Degrees of freedom value is rho minus 1, into column minus 1. Here 2 rows are given, 4 columns are given. Therefore, 2 minus 1 into 4 minus 1. 2 minus is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 1 into 4 minus 1, that is 1 minus 3 is equal to 3. Critical value chi square is equal to 0.05. Chi square value is 7.815. This is the critical value given. Our calculated value is 44.15. That is greater than our critical value. Therefore, we reject the hypothesis. That is, we accept the alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis has customer segment and preferred payment method are independent. This is our conclusion. These methods are not independent. This is our conclusion. Thank you.